Good, my G.
Fly guy, ugh.
Today.
What's up? One banana? So you look good, huh?
No, my shit.
Today. 2, 3. Ooh. Ooh, I bled you. You got the GoPro and niggas.
Today.
Like, he used to be in front of the camera. I don't like it.
I like it. Keep that camera off. Keep that camera off.
Today.
Ketchup on your Supreme. Get the bev in there though. The ketchup got 15 minutes. 15 minutes left? What the heck? What just happened? Made it to Vegas. Just got to Vegas. Checked into our room. Dang. Thank you, Primitive.
Today.
Hooking us up. Shout out to Paul. Shout out to Primitive. Shout out to Heath. Good morning, y'all. Day one in Vegas with the Primitive squad. Patty's never been here, so I think we're gonna jump in the pool for the first time ever.
Yep, it's my first time being in the pool in the United
In the
States.
swimming pool?
Yes.
Never been in a swimming pool?
Dude.
Oh my god. Smooth thought. So you stoked for your first time or what? How was your first swim, dude?
Awesome, bro.
Is it everything you've ever dreamed of?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So,
California?
love it, though.
That was gnarly.
Yeah.
Oh my. How sick.
Este from Nox.
So fun going down the ship. That's how you get it done right there.
Voice out west, legendary self-made progress. Last time that I checked, money disrespect and the power in the host
I be doing flips, man.
Niggas like to sit around.
You lag, you get left.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. 5-star rating, please.
Please give Trey a 5-star rating.
Sorry to interrupt, dog. You show me the new shit.
Oh my god, you got the first one.
Yeah, dude. We have the same birthday as well, man. So proud of you.
Get that camera out my face.
We're in Vegas.
Sure can, man. Open space. Right next to Pops. Adam, Dad, Adam.
We're in New York at LES Park. We got JC, Las Vegas.
This Zumi's best foot forward contest. So yeah, hang out with the kids, skate. You feel me? I think give out product after this.
That was it. Zumi's best foot forward is done. Well, this stop is. Good time struggling, everybody. Great park, great vibes. Good times, man. Good times. Thanks for holding us down, Tay. Appreciate you, brother.
Thanks for coming. Appreciate having you.
Like, subscribe, comment.
Yeah.